Hello traders, this is Andy with Trade Ideas. It is August the 7th on a Monday and taking a quick look at the SPY ugly day on Friday. Gap up, moved higher, and then we gave away a lot. Another dark cloud cover. We're seeing this pattern now. The market's having a hard time, pushing higher, and then with sellers coming in, and let's face it, we're now below the 10 and the 20. We are seeing a gap up, but don't get too fooled about these gap ups. They have been selling into this market lately, and it's a good chance we're going to come down here and test this pivot level, which could coincide with this rising 50-period moving average. So that's kind of the area I'm looking for. But nonetheless, let's take a look at some setups here. First on my list is a China play, MNSO. I like the way this is setting up. A trade above this, let's call it 2135 level. Could this get this one going? Another one on the radar is Shaq, but I think it's tried to gap down after earnings, and boy, they bought this back, and then we had a gap up, and so even though I'd like to see it consolidate a little bit, if it gets above this 8040 level, that's going to have to be a buy signal for me. Let's take a look at Cday. Okay, here's another one. It's been flirting with this monthly high of around 73. So set your price alert right there. Be careful. If it does go through, you want it to follow through and not come right back down into this range. Let's see. On it, TEX is on my radar here. Let's take a look at TEX real quick. And you've had a nice move after earning a couple of green bars. Now it's pulling back, but it's defending this 20 period here. So I think I'd probably like to see it around this 65 level. So maybe set a price alert close to that, see if it can go through. All right, that's it for today. There's several more on my list, but have a great day. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.